Hello, church family. I'm looking forward to presenting today on Paul Revere Williams. Because of the impact of various entertainment mediums and social media, the term influencer is often associated only with celebrities engaged in these activities and industries. However, an influencer is any person regarded as an expert in their particular field. Paul Revere Williams was an architect and one of the original Hollywood influencers. Hollywood is a place sought out by people from all over the world for its opportunities for fame and fortune. However, for many decades, blacks were not wanted or welcomed except in a stereotypical way. One man was intent on breaking barriers, but not in front of the camera. His name was Paul Revere Williams. Like many others, his parents left the Jim Crow South for California. It was in Los Angeles that Paul Williams developed a love for drawing and sketching. He would nurture this gift into a lucrative career in the field of architecture. For the African American community, he would be one of very few in this field. Eventually, he exchanged his love of drawing for a passion of architectural design and engineering. Paul Williams would impact Hollywood by revolutionizing the architectural landscape that has become synonymous with the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. He would go on to design more than 3,000 structures over the course of 5 decades. Some of his most notable buildings are MCA, Saks Fifth Avenue, Palm Springs Tennis Club, and the Golden State Mutual Life Insurance Building. And you'll see several of those structures pictured on this slide. Paul Williams's residential homes would actually garner the most attention in Hollywood. His celebrated homes would solidify his status as a trailblazing architect at the time. Despite being discouraged initially by many of his teachers and professors from going into architecture, who feared that his race would prevent him from being able to be marketable and to get clients, Paul Williams designed homes for celebrities such as Burt Lahr, Desi Arnaz, and Lucille Ball, Bill Bojangles Robinson, and Frank Sinatra. When it comes to the contributions of Black Americans to the American society, there are so many unsung heroes. Paul Revere Williams reminds us that every field has been furthered by Black excellence. And I'll leave you with the words of Martin Luther King Jr., who said, "Almost always the creative, dedicated minority has made the world better."